There are millions of Shopify stores out there, and that number is only going up. But when most people think of making money on Shopify, they go straight to dropshipping or selling physical products. Totally valid, but that's just scratching the surface. Today, I'm breaking down 10 legit ways to make money with Shopify, and I don't want to waste any more time, so let's get into it. Number 1, sell your services. As I mentioned, Shopify isn't just for physical products. If you offer a service like coaching, consulting, photography, or training, you can sell those services right from your Shopify store. Package your services however you want, single sessions, bundles, or subscriptions, and let Shopify handle the checkout and payments. Let's say you are a therapist or a music teacher. Instead of staying local, you can use Shopify to reach clients across the country. So how can you manage bookings? Just add a scheduling app to your website from the Shopify App Store like Meaty or CalPal, and you're good to go.
You can do it!
Number 2, sell digital content and materials. If you want a business with zero shipping, zero inventory, and 24/7 availability, digital products are the move. Think ebooks, templates, digital art, printables, anything you created and own and that people can download. You make it once and it can be sold on repeat. I know a designer who spent 1 week creating a pack of social media templates, and those sales come in like clockwork every month. It's simple, scalable, and all passive once it's live. To sell digital products on Shopify, use an app like Shopify's Digital Downloads or Big Digital Downloads products to securely deliver files after checkout. Just one tip. Make sure your product solves a real problem or helps someone do something better. That's what keeps the downloads coming.
Yes! That's awesome!
Number 3, sell online courses. Want to take those digital products to the next level? Create a course. If you've got knowledge in something, you can turn that into a full-on video course and sell it from your Shopify store. And there are course builder apps in the Shopify App Store like Tavello that make it super simple. Here's why it's worth it. Courses usually sell for way more than a PDF or template. While one download might go for, say, $20, you can sell a course for $100 or more because you're not just sharing info, you're helping someone get from point A to point B. You're selling more than just content. And by the way, now is a great time to remind you that if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, you can start your free trial today to begin selling a service, digital content, or an online course. I'll drop the link in the description.
And how much does it cost?
It's free.
Number 4, become a Shopify partner. If you're more into helping Shopify stores than running one yourself, becoming a Shopify partner might be your lane. With the Shopify Partner Program, there are 2 main paths. First, service partners. This is for freelancers, agencies, or consultants helping to build and grow businesses. And second, technology partners, which are developers and creators building apps, themes, or integrations. When you join the program, you get access to exclusive tools, training, and referral commissions. So every time you refer a merchant to Shopify, you earn up to 20% recurring commission on their subscription fees. And that's on top of whatever you charge for your own services. So think of it this way. Instead of selling products, you're selling your skills, and there are millions of store owners who need what you offer. Start with a simple $500 setup job, and before you know it, you're charging over $5,000 per project and stacking recurring income on the side. Helping other businesses grow is a business. Don't sleep on being the go-to Shopify person in your niche, which is low-key what I'm doing.
Show me the money.
Number 5, build and sell Shopify apps. Now that I've mentioned becoming a technology partner on Shopify, if you've got coding skills or know someone who does, building Shopify apps can be a seriously high reward play. Every merchant on Shopify is looking for tools to make selling easier, faster, and more efficient. If you can build an app that solves even one small problem really well, you could end up with thousands of monthly subscribers. Apps like Looks, Privy, and Klaviyo all started as simple tools, and now they're full-on powerhouses in the Shopify ecosystem. Now, if you're thinking, But Kylie, I don't know how to code. You're not out of the game. You can always partner with a developer or even use no-code tools to bring your idea to life. Which reminds me, we have a video on our channel that explains how to create your own AI tool with no coding required, which I've linked down below. The real key here, spotting a need that's not being met and building something that makes merchants' lives easier. Number 6, build and sell Shopify themes. If you've got an eye for design or know someone who does, building Shopify themes can be a seriously profitable lane. A well-designed theme can sell for anywhere from free to $500 per license, with most themes priced under $100. Premium themes with advanced features can reach up to $350 or more. And once a theme takes off in the Shopify theme store, it can generate thousands of sales. That's not hype, it's math. So what makes a theme successful? It needs to look great, load fast, work on mobile, and be flexible enough for different types of stores. If you can nail that, you might be sitting on a gold mine. The best part? Like digital products, themes are built once and sold over and over. Yes, you'll need to handle updates and support, but most of the heavy lifting is done up front. I recently spoke to a developer who replaced his full-time income with one theme that started bringing in $15,000 a month. Not bad for something he built once. Number 7, become a Shopify affiliate. If you've got an audience, a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, or even just a strong social media presence, you can make money as a Shopify affiliate. Here's how it works. You apply to the Shopify affiliate program, get your custom referral link, and share it with your audience. When someone signs up for a paid plan through your link, you earn a commission. The standard bounty rate is $150 per referral, and Shopify holds commission payments until you accumulate at least $25. But given the bounty rate, this threshold is easily met. What's great about this route is you're not selling a random product. You're recommending a platform that actually helps people build businesses. That makes it way easier to create content, especially if you're already using Shopify yourself. I will say it's not 100% passive. You still have to create content, but if you've got the right niche, this can be a super solid stream of revenue.
Well, you don't need $1 million to do nothing, man.
Number 8, leverage Shopify Collective. Shopify Collective lets eligible stores team up and sell products together without the headaches of managing inventory or logistics. One important note, Shopify Collective is currently available for stores in the US selling in USD with Shopify payments enabled and revenue of more than $50,000 in the last 12 months. Canadian businesses can also use it if they reside in Canada and transact in CAD. There are 2 ways to get in on it. As a retailer, you sell products from other Shopify brands. No inventory, no upfront costs. You only pay when you make a sale, and the supplier ships it. And as a supplier, you let other stores sell your products and reach customers you wouldn't normally get in front of. You ship it, you get paid. Easy. Inventory syncing, checkout, shipping, and payouts, it's all automated. Think of it like running a curated marketplace without having to manage 20 vendors. I've seen fashion boutiques add accessories this way, and home brands expand into skincare without lifting a finger. Why build every product from scratch when you could just collaborate and chill? Woo! Number 9, some different product selling models, just in case. I know I said this video wasn't about selling physical products, but we'd be leaving money on the table if I didn't at least mention the various product-based business models you can run on Shopify. Shopify supports a ton of different business models, including number 1, dropshipping, where your supplier holds the inventory and ships directly to your customer. Number 2, print on demand. Same deal, but with your designs printed on things like mugs, tees, or posters. Number 3, handmade, if you're crafting or creating your own products from pottery to candles to jewelry. Number 4, vintage or secondhand for reselling curated pre-loved goods, which is having a major moment. And number 5, subscription boxes, which allow you to bundle themed products and ship them out on a regular schedule. And yes, we've got full videos on each if you want to deep dive. I'll link them in the description below, but I'm partial to this one about how to start a print-on-demand business.
Alrighty then.
All right, last but not least, number 10, flip Shopify stores. If starting from scratch feels overwhelming, but you've got a good eye for what works, flipping Shopify stores might be your move. It's kind of like house flipping, but for e-commerce. You buy an existing store, optimize it with better design, strong marketing, and smoother operations, then resell it for a profit. There are entire marketplaces dedicated to this, like Flippa and BizBuySell, and the opportunity is real. It does take capital upfront and some solid business instincts, but if you enjoy spotting potential and making things work better, this could be a really smart path. So there you have it. 10 legit ways to make money with Shopify. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more real-world strategies to help you build and grow your online business. And let me know in the comments, which one of these are you most excited to try? I might just turn it into a deeper dive video next. I'm Kylie Marr. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.